In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run efficient meetings in Clickup. The aim is to leverage Clickup's powerful tools to organize meetings that are structured and productive, making the process smooth and easy. First, let's get started by heading over to the Clickup website. This platform is an all-in-one tool that simplifies work management, and it's a great place to host your meetings. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button and proceed to sign in using Google. This is a quick way to get access if you're already integrated with Google services. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one that you use for work or team collaborations. After you've selected the right account, navigate to the list of your projects or tasks. Here, you'll want to focus on the project that you're planning to host meetings for. When you have your project list open, you'll see 3 dots next to each list option. Click on these dots to open more functionalities and then select templates from the options provided. Templates in ClickUp are incredibly useful as they offer a predefined structure to streamline your meetings. Next, click on Browse Templates to explore available templates. Now in the search bar, type meeting to filter templates designed specifically for organizing meetings. Once you've identified the meeting template that fits your needs, click to select it. You'll notice a particular section named Meeting Tracker. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to access its features and layout. To apply this template to your meeting, simply click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your meeting. This helps both you and your team know which meeting is planned. So choose a name that everyone will recognize. Once you've entered a name, confirm by clicking Use Template again. After setting up the meeting template, you'll see a tab labeled Meeting. Clicking on this will lead you to the core functionalities where meetings can be scheduled and managed. If your meeting requires additional details or tasks, you can tweak the new setup by editing any current tasks listed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to establish an efficient meeting setup in ClickUp. Don't forget that you can also add new tasks or modify existing ones to tailor the meeting further to your specific needs. By structuring your meetings through ClickUp, you'll find that managing and executing meetings becomes a lot more efficient, leaving your team aligned and productive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more of ClickUp's features to fully maximize your work efficiency.